Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll try to, let's go with the buys right now on this demand area. Today I will take some trades. I forgot to even say it's been 15 minutes that I'm on this chart trying to find a good trade. Yeah, so sometimes I start my session. Oh, my epic pen doesn't work. Why? Okay, that was a winning trade. My this thing doesn't work. Let me just fix this. All right, I'm back. All right, so the first trade is obviously a decision point where respected resistance. When it's broken right here, the decision for this breakout has happened somewhere inside of this circle right here. So if we basically look at the chart on 1 minute time frame, and you can see this huge demand area. If we mark this demand area, that's pretty straightforward. I literally explained this concept on every single session, so I assume that you already know how to mark the decision point area. Okay, so this is the entry in the lower time frame, which is reacted from, and we put the trade right here where respected resistance decision point. Next time price comes down here, it can react, and then we can also add other stuff like basic market structure, support of this wedge, you know. So this is how we make money in trading. We do not trade based on one concept, based on one strategy, and based on one reason to take a trade. This has been my strategy from 2018, and it has been successful. But I also tried taking my trades based on individual setups. It doesn't give me good winning ratio, and it will not give anyone good winning ratio. Just trade based if we trade based on one reason or one concept. So this is proven to me that you need a combination of reasons to take a trade. For example, if this is a QM setup, low, high, lower low, break the previous swing with the higher high, it creates this QM zone for me. Okay, this can be added up to this trend line. See this trend line? A, B, C. This is a trend line. So the price comes down here. This entry will be much better compared to one that doesn't have trend line, right? So let me just check the confirmations. All right, we have an engulf for this QM. This is not a nice engulf. I don't like that. But anyways, I will check the lower time frame for the entry. I don't see anything here yet. I still don't see anything. I see one down here, which I don't know if the price will come down that much. There's a 5-second one, but that's in line with the QM zone, so I'm not going to risk it. There's an entry way down here, but in general, I don't like this QM, but for the sake of the video, I will take it for you. Okay, it's coming. It's coming down to the entry. I'm taking this as small, okay? Let's go. All right. And mark the zone for you to see the reaction. Some of you guys send me some screenshots that it basically blows my mind. And when I ask, why did you take this? There's no proper answer for that. When you have a QM that doesn't have entry, you either ignore it or you take it small entry, okay? This is super important. If you take this trade, like if I was taking this with 1,000 and I was losing this, it would completely mess up my mindset. And that's for everyone. My mindset also can be messed up. So I'm careful which trade I'm taking and what amount I use. I normally wouldn't take this because it simply could go ignoring this entry. but I took it with very small amounts. So if I was losing it, it wouldn't hurt me. Okay, it wouldn't mess up my psychology because it's just 200 compared to my normal trading amount. So I'll just keep looking for better trades. This is our first trade. By the way, guys, on the previous video, I asked you to vote about my voice because I had some new settings on my microphone. I don't know, I bought some decent microphone, but I still think my voice, it doesn't really, the quality is not good enough, I feel like. So I just keep changing some settings, and I want your opinion about this new one. Because again, I've changed some settings. So yeah, let me know if you like the previous one. Previous one was a little bit bassy. It had some bass. You mentioned in the comments, and I removed the bass pretty much like 50% of it. And I want your opinion on this one. All right, I will just keep looking. Okay, so look at this one. This is a fresh demand, but I would never take this, because if you have a fresh demand, it should be something, right? It's nothing. This one is just a random fresh demand right here. I see some people taking this and losing like this, and like complaining why this didn't work, because it's not a significant demand area. Like if this was, you know, causing a huge breakout, this would react for sure, but now it's just some random invalid supply. It's like demand area right here. That's why I would never take this. Like, look at this one. Compare these two. Compare this one and this one. This one, see how this breakout happened here. This is a very nice decision point for this breakout of this resistance. But if you look at this one, there's nothing happening here. It doesn't cause any breakout. It doesn't create a high. So this is a false demand area. But this one is a good one, which it will take some time for price to reach down here. It will take an hour, I guess. So I will just move on, trying to find another opportunity. And this is, I think, our first trade. No, this is the QM trade that I took in combination with the trend line. See? Also, this is another demand which is valid. Look how it reacted from it, because it's causing a significant breakout. How beautiful it reacted from it. Market is so bad right now. I'm not going to lie. Market is so bad right now. I mean, there's absolutely no setup. Okay, we got this gap up, but there's no setup. We can just get this green one. Also, we can get this red one because of gap up. So basically, I don't know in this case, because we have also this area which market can react. So general rule of thumb, if you don't see your proper setup, you will keep looking. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Huge gap up, but I'm not taking it. I don't know. There's no setup. I'm not going to take it. No, this is on the demand area. That's why this gap up might not work. This is another bad opportunity, like bad trade. If I was taking it, I'm not taking that. See, it created another QM for us. The price comes down. I may take this. Usually in bad markets like this, the most setups you will see are the QMs, decision points, ABCs, you know. But the other setups really happen in good markets. You don't even need to trade in this kind of markets. All right, hold on. Okay, I think we have another setup. If we can get the better entry on this one. We have a QM setup right now. Oh my god, it's reacting already. No, it's already reacted, man. No way. Okay, I'm taking this one, and then I will say why did I take this. This is basically QM inside of QM. One of the advanced setups. Look at this. It's already reacted from this, but I took it for another reason. Look, if we zoom in, you see another small QM, and it was a winning trade, man. All right, our entry was exactly right here. Let me just mark our entry. This is a QM inside of a QM. Okay, so let me show you the whole thing. All right, so this is a QM, right? Low, high, lower, low, higher, high, QM zone. Mark the QM zone first. I'll go with yellow for this one. And then after that, since we have so many candles, this is not a small QM area like this one. We need to go to 5-minute time frame, because on 3 minutes, I don't think, yeah, in 3 minutes we have the same QM. That's because we have so many candles there. But for 5 minutes, we see this clear engulfing candle, even though we still have this QM. Maybe we have, yes, in 10 minutes, we can clearly see the engulf, but on 5 minutes also, we see this engulf. And I'm looking for entry inside of this engulf, right? Inside of this engulf. I go to lower time frame step by step from 30-second, and I mark my zone below the QM zone. All right, so you see this fresh demand right below the QM zone on 15-second time frame. And if I mark this, you can see that price tapped into this zone. And if I was taking this trade, it would be a winning trade. See, the entry would be here, the candle close here, it would be a winning trade. But what is this trade that I took? If I go back to 15-second, you see after tabbing this area, it created another QM inside of it. So if we were coming down, boom, low, high, lower, low, and then break the previous high. So it created another QM in 15-second time frame. Okay, in 15-second time frame, and my entry was exactly on this demand area on 15-second, right here, and it closed above. Okay, sometimes we need some creativity in this market as well. Yeah. Right. We see some common point of rejection here. Oh, this market is beautiful. Not gonna lie, this market is beautiful. This market is beautiful. Okay, I'm taking this. Oh, taking this one. All right. Let me show you this. This one, this little chart was much better. Boom. Now look at my entry. Overall, in resistance area, a red-green pattern, gap up, and common point of rejection. And this resistance made me take this trade. Market itself is coming from this failed demand area. This one. All right. Let me just, I think that's that's enough for this session because the market doesn't look good and this many trades is just enough for me. I usually take 5 or 6 trades per day and I'm fine right now. And I hope you enjoyed, man. If you did, do not forget to join the Telegram channel. The competition will start soon and the announcement will be in the Telegram channel and it's free for everyone to join. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace out.